children, welcome back to your maths class. In previous class, I taught decimal numbers introduction. What is the introduction of the decimal? A fraction with 10, 100 and 1000 as the denominators as decimal numbers. Okay? In the previous class, what I taught, I explained place values, right? In previous class, what we learned that I explained in the previous class: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, right? Right to left. If one place value is moving, means it should be multiplied by 10. Then next place value will come. Here 1. 1 if you are multiplying by 10, 1 tens are 10. Tens place value will come. Same way tens place value if you are multiplying by 10, hundreds place value will come. So 10 tens are 100. Same way here hundreds place you are multiplying by 10, thousands place value will come. Is it clear? That means right to left. While moving, its place value, next place value means you should multiply by 10, like that so on. In reversing order, thousands to hundreds, if you want to move, you should divide the thousands place value by 10. Then hundreds place value will come. Same way, hundreds to tens. Again you should divide by 10. Then tens place value will come. Again tens to ones. If you want to move, again you should divide by 10. Then ones place value will come. Ones place value to next number. What we have to do? That means left to right when moving you should divide by 10. Next right place value will come. Okay. Again you should divide ones place value by 10. 1. New place value will come. That is tens. Tens place value. That is 1 by 10. Right? Again this place value, if you are dividing by 10, what will come? Hundreds place value will come. Yesterday I explained this all. So that is 1 by 100. Again, hundreds to, we are going to thousands. Again you should divide that number by 10. Thousands value will come. See here, this is thousands. This is thousands. THS. Okay. Same way here hundreds. This is hundreds. Tens. Tens. Like this. See, Nana? That is the difference between these two. And one's place value and the new place value they are separating by a dot. This is called decimal point. Okay. Decimal point after the numbers we will call as decimal numbers. Decimal point before numbers we will call as whole numbers. Clear, children? Okay. See here the place value chart for the decimals. See, this is the place value chart. See, hundreds, tens, ones. This is whole number. This part is called whole number. Right? This is whole number part. And after the whole ones, this we will call as decimal number. Decimal number. You can separate whole number and decimal number by using a dot. This is called decimal point. This is called decimal point. I explained these all things yesterday. Once again I am recalling those things. Okay children? Now see 67 point. After the decimal numbers you should not read 12. What you should read? You should read separately. That is 67.12. Right? See. Now 7 is in which place? That is ones place. Right? So in ones place you write 7. 6 is in which place? Tens place. Write 6 in tens place. Now after the decimals we will read as tens, hundreds. So how many tens? 1 tens. That write in 1 tens place, and 2 you should write in the hundreds place. Is it clear? This is the place value chart for the decimals. Now next one, 54.6. That means 4 is 54. Point before that we will call as whole numbers. So 4 is in ones place and 5 is in tens place. Write that 4 is in ones place and 5 is in tens place. And after that, point after one number is there, that is in tens place. What is that place value? Tens place. So tens place we write 6. Okay children? Now I am going to explain third one. 127.894. Are you observed? This each one I am reading separately. So this is the tens place, this is the hundreds place, and this is the thousands place. Here ones place not there. After the point starts tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, like that so on. So here 127.894. So 7 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place. 127. See 1, 2, 7. Point 894. 8 in tens place, 9 in hundreds place, and 4 in thousands place. Like this you have to write the place value chart for the decimals. Is it clear? Now I am going to explain exercise 7.2 in 7th chapter. See, read and write the number names. This is the question. First you read the number, then you write the number name. See, first one I am reading. Listen carefully. 11.03. 11.03. Right? What I read, that you have to write. See, where is this 3? 3 is in hundreds place. So 11 and 300s. You can write, otherwise 11.03. I am writing that one only. 11 point. After the point, we are writing separately. That's all. Okay, children. And now I am going to explain the fifth one. This is the A Roman. Total 9 sums are there. Out of 9, I am going to explain 3 sums. Okay. See, 3.531. After the point, numbers I am reading separately. This is the tens, this is the hundreds, and this is the thousands. This can be written as 3.531. 5, 3, 1. Okay. Now I am going to explain the ninth one. 6.56. 6.56. Okay. Point before number is a whole number. And point after decimal number correctly. So 6.56. Okay. So first A round is complete.
आलिएगा
See, B round nana. Change the following into decimals. Change the following into decimals. That means fraction is given that you have to change it into decimals. That is the question. See here, 4/100. See in the denominator, how much is there? 2 zeros. 100. So point after how many numbers it must be? 2 digits. Point after 2 numbers. Okay. So see here. What is there here? 4. That 4 you should write in the last, and then before number you should write 0. 2 numbers. Point after 2 numbers. So 1, 2. Before you should put 4. Here any number is there in a whole number? No. So you should put 0. This is 0.04. 4/100 is equal to 0.04. Same way, 9/10. First you see the check the denominator. Here how many zeros are there? 10. So 1 0. So point after how many numbers? 1 number. What is there in the numerator? 9. Only 1 number. That should be you write in the point after. So 9 point. So that is 9/10 means 0.9. Okay. Now see the 8th one. 91/75/100. This is a mixed fraction. In this mixed fraction, this 91 we will call as whole number. Whole number after point will come. I told you point before number is the whole number, point after is decimal number. So 91 whole number after point. Clear? 75. Here how many zeros? 2 zeros. So point after how many numbers? 2 numbers. You should always write right to left point after numbers. So 5, 7. So what is the answer? 91.75. Clear? Now 3, 4/1000. This is the 12th sum in this exercise. B Roman. What 12 sums are there? Out of 12 I am going to explain 4. 3, 4/1000. 3 is a whole number. Where the point will come? After the whole number. So 3 after, you should put a point. 4/1000. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So point after how many numbers? 3 numbers. What is how many numbers in the numerator? Only 1 number. That you should write in the last place. So 4. Remaining numbers what you have to write? Zeros. Right? This is the 1000th place value. What is the decimal number? 3.004. Clear children? See, now C Roman, write as fractions or mixed fractions. That means decimal fraction number is given that you should convert into fractions or mixed number. Okay, before what I done, they gave in the fraction. We are converting into decimal numbers. Now, decimal numbers is given, you should convert into fractions. See here, 1.13. Listen carefully. Point before what number is there? Point before number we will call as whole number. So in fractions whole number you should write aside. In the middle of this number you should draw the fraction bar. Now what numbers are there point after numbers? The 1, 3. Those numbers you should write in the numerator. Now here instead of point you should write 1 in the denominator. Point after how many numbers are there? That number of zeros follows this one. So this decimal number, by converting into mixed number, what is the answer? 113/100. 1.13 is equal to 113/100. This is the conversion of mixed number. Okay, now I'm going to explain the seventh one, 0.008. So, point before what number is there? 0. So, there is no whole number. And what is there on the point after numbers? 008. So, here, while writing a number, left side zeros have any value? No. So, no need to that number, just 8 you should write in the numerator. And write fraction bar. Instead of point, what we have to write? We should write 1 in the denominator. Point after how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. Right? So 3 zeros follows this 1. So what is the 0.008 means? That is 8 by 1000 in fractions. Clear now? Now next one, 4.05. 4.05. 4 is a whole number. Point after number 05 are the 05 are the decimal number. 4 you should write aside. In the middle of the 4 you should draw the fraction bar. 05 means 05 means here 5. Left side 0 have many value? No. So no need to mention that 0. 5. Instead of 5 you should write 1 in the denominator. Point after how many numbers are there? 2 numbers. The 2 numbers we should follow this one. So 4.05 is equal to 4 5 by 100. This is the mixed fraction. Okay. Now another one. 15.36. 15.36. So what is the whole number here? 15. That you should write one side. In the middle you should draw the fraction bar. Point after how many numbers are there? 2 numbers. So 2 zeros follows. Instead of point, what we should write? 1. 1 0 0. And what we should write in the numerator? 36. Okay. So what is the mixed fraction? 1536 by 100. Is it clear? See, write as decimals. That means fraction is given, you should convert into decimals. That is the meaning of this term. See, very easy this one. Listen carefully and see how I am writing. That is very important. See here, what is the fraction? 129 by 100. 129 by 100. See, here how many zeros? 2 zeros in the denominator. So 2 zeros before you should put a point. After that you write the whole number. So what is that? See, I am writing from right to left. 9, 2, 2 point and 1. So 129 by 100 means 1.29. 1.29. Now second one. 15 by 10. See here how many zeros? 1 0. So point after how many numbers? 1 number. So here 1 number after you should put a point. Remaining numbers you should write as it is. So what is the 115 by 10 is equal to 11.5. Clear children? Now third one. 3008 by 1000. So here how many zeros? 3 zeros in the denominator. So 3 numbers after 3 numbers before point will come. So 8, 0, 0, point. What number is there? 3. That we should write point before. This is 3.008. Clear? 17.034. What is the sum? Make place value for this decimal. Place value chart. Place value chart. Sorry. Here charts. For the decimals. 17.035. So 17 in which place? This is ones. This is tens. After point after number. This is tens. This is hundreds. and this is thousands. So write that. In ones place you write 7 and tens place you write 1. Tenths place you write 0. Hundredths place you should write 3 and thousandths place you should write 5. This is the place value chart. Already I explained. And this is the E Roman in this exercise 7.2. Remaining 3 sums you should complete. See here, F1, find the place value of digit in blue. It is blue in your textbook. So those numbers are underlined here. Okay, now A1, 67.9. What is the place value of 9? This is 9 in tenths place. Otherwise you should write 0.9. Okay, otherwise it is in tenths place. Okay, no need to write like this, just you write the answer, that is enough. And now 4.073, here 7 is in blue color, so that can be written as 0.07. 7 is in which place? Tenths, hundredths place. So this is the hundredths place. Second value is hundredths place, point out. Okay, now next 0.08. 8 is in which place? See, tenths, hundredths. So what will come? 0.08. That's all. Same number. Okay. Now 5.696. So this can be written as 0. Underline that is it 6. So 6 is in which place? Tenths place. That can be written as 0.6. Okay, children. Remaining sums you should complete in your syllabus. And one more sum I want to explain. See the G1 in exercise 7.2 Nana. Write in the fractional and decimal expanded form. Expanded form we know that now. 783 is there. Then how will you write the expanded form? 700 plus 80 plus 2. You write like this now. In the same manner, you have to write this fractional and the decimal form. Given decimal number. First you convert it to fractional number. I told you how to convert. 28 you should write in the numerator. Instead of point you should write 1 in the denominator. Point after how many numbers are there? 2 numbers. The 2 numbers you should write in the denominator. This is the fractional number. 28 by 100. And in the expanded form, decimal expanded form. Decimal expanded form 0, no need to write. And this one can be written as 0.2 plus 0 point in this place you should write 0 and 8. This is the decimal expanded form. This is decimal expanded form. Clear, children? Now here B1 24.3. 24.3. 24 is a whole number. Ones, tens. So you can write a whole number in the front. After that, numerator you should write 3. Instead of point you should write 1 in the denominator. And how many numbers are there? Point after 1 number. So write 1 0. Clear? This one I will explain afterwards. See here. This can be written as in the decimal expanded form. 24 can be written as 20 plus 4 plus. This can be written as 0.3. Clear, children? See in this last sum 99.009. 99 is a whole number. This is the decimal number. How can you write 99? You should write in the middle. This is a whole number. In the middle you write the fraction bar. In the numerator what you should write? 9. Because left side 0 having no values in this here. Right? In the denominator, instead of the decimal point you should write 1 in the denominator. And point after how many numbers? 1, 2, 3. So 3 zeros you should write. So what is the fraction? 99? 9 by 1000. You should write in the expanded form. Decimal expanded. 99 can be written as 90 plus 9 plus here 0 first one, tens place. So 0 that can be written as 0.0 plus 0 point next 0 0 0 plus 0.009. Otherwise in shortcut method 90 plus 9 plus 0.009. Okay children? So please complete exercise 7.2 in your CW. I will meet you in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.